What's up, everybody? I'm Joe Romo, and this is POHBOYS Garage.
What are you doing, buddy?
Replacing my little peggies.
I don't think anyone's seen your bike. It's a Honda. It's a Honda.
And that's gonna go away. I'm gonna strip it down. It's a fast bike, and it's a nice bike. It's the newest like car item I have.
Yeah. All right, but the real episode is on the old KA engine. Here we go, everybody. That single cam slammer that I put together about a year ago, 2 years ago, I don't know. I've had this engine for a very long time. But now it's time to tear it down, see what happened to it. We're gonna drain everything out. I think I already drained the oil, but this time we're gonna drop the oil pan, see what broke, see what's going on, and then go from there. So yep, let's start tearing down the old engine. Woohoo!
Let's see what's wrong with your motor. We gotta make sure it's no oil. We'll flip it over and pull the pan.
The
And
pan.
Once that's pulled, we can see what's happening.
The pan, man. Yep, I got the 10 right here, man. Just bring the chingadera. Right here.
Coming!
Chosen one.
I'm coming!
Chosen one.
Coming!
Wah.
Jesus. Got some pull on it. They're tight.
You're tightening.
That way?
Yeah, see?
Sorry.
You're gonna fuck it up.
Oh, that one busted inside. That's weird. Whoa, this one should
Why
be
is it stripped all of a sudden?
good. I don't know, dude. It's your...
Let's see what's going on with the old engine. That's your problem.
Yeah. God! Okay, right. There's one pop.
Step it right in.
Man, that's tight.
Yeah. I never taken this one off. There we go.
I don't think there'd be metal. You just have a knock. So let it drain a little bit, and then we'll flip it.
Flip it upside down, see what's up.
We're helpless. Two
Try to
Joes.
socket?
Two Joes don't make it right.
No, we need a shipwreck.
Try socketing it out.
Sock it to me, baby.
There we go.
Not that hard.
We got it! Yay!
We're all sweaty.
See, I told you director's cut because that was only an extra minute.
Yeah, I know. We should have kept recording.
A whole
That's
minute.
the thing.
All right, flip it.
All right, we got it. We just gotta flip it now.
There it is.
Wiggly biggly.
Yep, that's your knock.
Oh yeah.
Look at it. That's your knock.
Woohoo! Well, next day, we took a break from our shenanigans the other night, and we're gonna wrench on the 240 again. Joey's back. Well, we're gonna tear apart the engine, and then we're gonna use this bench over here that we built. I'm gonna take everything off, and then after we're done doing car stuff, I'm gonna put the board together, and maybe throw some tricks in here for you guys. So yeah, we're gonna start doing stuff. Woohoo! Oh, got you! That's the whole thing. I'm glad you didn't go the wrong way. Oh my god!
I'm glad you didn't go.
Oh no, mijo. We can stop that. Yeah, I'll throw that for you. All right, well, here's the problem.
Look at right here. There's supposed to be a bearing here. It's right there.
Look at, you can see, yeah, you can see it with the light.
It's really, you might have to resurface it. We have to go take the machine shop and see, but it's pretty smooth. It has like slight grooves,
Oh my god.
so we might have to.
It
But
tore it up.
look at this one, top one. Look at right here. See yours down there? That ring. See it? That right in between.
Yeah.
That silver thing. It ain't right, girl.
Oh yeah, dang. All right. Well, ain't that something? Ain't that something, man? All right, cool. We're gonna continue on. Pop on it.
Good news. These aren't.
That one looks a little bad.
That one's a little scorched.
Which is that one? Kind of smells like chicharrones. Chicharrones.
Oh yeah, it looks good.
What?
Oh, we already knew the crank. Yeah, that's the only thing. So you might be
Yeah.
good. These aren't bad. Well, you have to replace them.
Back at it again, huh?
Show is.
Yo, is brother.
Come out. It's gonna rip everything off. Let's see where I left off.
There you are. Yep. Lift off right there.
There's your problem.
Yep. No, we took everything off again. Right, dude?
Really?
Really. All right, it's been a week. We're back, and we're gonna wrench on the 240 engine. So, pretty much what we're gonna be doing is removing the head, the intake, pretty much everything. We need to take everything off. We're pretty much gonna strip everything off. So it's just a full-on, just a engine block, just a block, one naked block. You ready, man?
Ready as I can be. Where's my hammer?
Remember? Where we put it?
Smells like rubber. Wait.
Oh, you whacked yourself.
There's usually supposed to be a puller, but
We don't have one.
It's lost.
this thing's all ripping apart.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's been through some shit.
There you go. All right.
Ta-da!
Keeping everything all organized over here as much as we can, really. More organized than last time. The last time we took apart the 240. That's for sure.
We'll have to crack it and then take the cap off. So we'll start taking these.
So we got the head bolts off right now.
Yeah, we'll pull it. We have to pull off the timing cover,
Yeah.
and then we'll be alright. We'll use the chingas to the Dara.
Let's do it. That's what I'm replacing because
We need a better pump.
I need a better pump. Yeah, I don't think it worked good.
We need a better. We need a better dipstick.
Oh, another dipstick, man. Oh, shoot. So, almost done. Taking a few minutes, not bad. It's been a very long time, but we've done it like, what, 3-4 times? I don't know. How many times we've done this? But we've done it a couple times, so this time we're going to do some, I don't know, preventive maintenance for next time, right?
Get better stuff.
We're going to make it better, faster, stronger, so we don't have to deal with this nonsense.
Oh, missing 2 bolts for your 10s.
Oh, fuck. Oh man, yeah. Well, once we clean up the engine.
Well, that's the problem.
Yeah.
Once we clean the motor up.
The engine's gonna look really, really, really good. I don't want to keep the red though. I want to paint the red different. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the red. Give her some.
Bomber green.
Yeah.
It's coming.
That was a nub.
Dang, the whole cap.
Oh.
Oh man.
You need to use have you only been using water in this?
Just for the track day. Other than that, it's always been. Oh man.
What the fuck is that?
It's coming out of the.
It's coming out of the block. Damn, that's nasty, man. There you go.
Yeah.
There you go. Oh man. Got it. Whoop, 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 whoop. What you got?
Your cylinders look good.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I can just look. They look clean. They all look the same.
Shine.
Yep. That's good. That's good. That's good.
Oh, that's why it wasn't popping off.
And it looks good. So that'll do it. That's it. Just wanted to tear apart the engine. That's all I wanted to do, and we successfully did it. It took a few months, almost a year. No, it took a year. It took a year to do this.
Well,
Because we drifted it in January.
Actually, get started on it.
Yeah.
It took us only a week to take it apart.
Yeah, no, it's a week and a year.
But now, replace the parts and get it all together.
That's it. So yeah, I don't know. That's it, man. So the next episode the next episode on the 240 engine will be when we actually put it together. I'm gonna order the parts and everything, and I don't know. And if you're super stoked on us getting this engine back together and you enjoy the episode, hit that thumbs up button. We'll all appreciate it. And like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys next time. Woohoo!